皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means convenience and services and feces. Feces, I'm not sure. I'm not good at pronouncing this word. Anyway, and the on reading is bin or ben. Kun reading is tayori. The stroke order of this kanji is this. When you take a flight, probably you've heard like ANA 21便 or Japan Airline 52便 or something like that. So the bin is used as a counter for the flight. And most importantly, the bin means feces. So you know this dai ben, and dai is a big, right? And shou ben means small. So you know this, okay? And you'll see this kanji on the street like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。